guys, welcome back to another video. Today, it is a snow day and you all know what that means. It is time to take our E46'S and the Z3 out in the snow. However, I have a little problem. It looks so good. The tires on the back of this car are pretty dead. And when I mean pretty dead, I mean pretty dead. I gotta make my way over to the shop. I'm meeting Andy and Tyler there and we're gonna go out and do some snow drifting and make a little video for you guys. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We got a lot more BMW content coming for you guys. If this next clip is me saying, hey, I can't take the E46, that means I got stuck. Well, I did not make it far. I'm stuck at the bottom of my driveway. So I called the reinforcements. Andy and the Z3 are on the way. I gotta go to the shop, put on some fresh tires. That way we can actually get some traction in this snow. Look who decided to show up. Well, the E46 made it. The tires are absolutely shot, so we're gonna throw on some fresh rubber. Well, it made it with the help of a tow from the F250. Alrighty, we got the new tires on. I really have to run third and fourth gear and get enough wheel speed because it's pretty slick out here. Now, all we gotta do is get Andy's car unstuck and we can go drive. We have not made it far. Andy's already stuck. Let's see if we can get this thing out of here. It's the only way. Like, we're not trying to be menaces. Like, we're not trying to cause problems. It's just thick out here and super icy. Well, guys, before we start the drift adventure, I want to do a little walk around of the car. So these are E46 330i's. These are the 3 liters. And for angle, we run the CNC 71 adapter kit along with shortened tie rods and Condor offset bushing. In the rear, we have a dual caliper hydro with an eBay bracket and then chase base lines with a lovely little ASD handbrake, full stock interior. We want to keep things stock and make it look really nice. We got welded diffs, of course. That's about it. We have harnesses, and I think Andy is stuck yet again, but Tyler is persevering on. Oh! Holy crap. Careful, Tyler. Jeez. All right, we got to get out of here. Let's go to the spot. We did not make it far. My diff just broke. Oh no. Dang it. Situation update. Diff broken on the side of the road and the wheels are locked on this thing. Like, they don't even spin. So Andy can't even pull me up the road because his wheels are just locked. So we're gonna have to either wait for a truck or go back and get my truck and pull this thing and come get another day. Which really sucks. It's a little sketchy, but like, hold on, hydro all the time. Well, she's gonna be there overnight. We'll be back for her. me. All right, little update. Z3 is working. However, Andy's E46 actually, his E46 just died, so we're gonna use the Z3 and pull it, try to bump start it. We've tried to bump start it a couple times. It's not working. It's not looking good. Very nice. Well, alrighty guys, that is gonna wrap up our drift snow day. Unfortunately, my E46 didn't even make it out to the spot. The diff broke on it. So there's actually a thing called a gear mesh in the diff, kind of the backlash, and it wasn't set properly. And I guess with me trying to get out of my driveway, revving it up, it didn't like it, and ended up breaking the diff on it. And then Andy's twin car over there, his battery ended up dying on him, so we were able to jump it, make it back. The Z3, of course, was flawless, so we had a good time. Make sure to like, subscribe. We'll see you guys next video.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?